Okay, now we're going to cover all those tricky little numbers shown on the periodic table and what they mean. Here's a modern periodic table, and you can see there's period numbers across the side and group numbers across the top. And what a period number is it's the amount of electron shells or energy levels that any particular element has. And the group number is the amount of electrons in the outer shell, with group 1 atoms having 1 electron in the outer shell, group 7 atoms having 7 electrons in the outer shell, and group 0 atoms having a full outer shell. And just a little bit of extra information is that the amount of electrons in any particular outer shell, it's 2 electrons in the first outer shell, and then for any subsequent outer shell or energy level, there's 8 electrons. Okay, now let's cover the actual numbers on the elements using this carbon as an example. Now, as you can see, this carbon has a 6 at the top, which is the atomic number, which is the amount of protons in the atom, and also the amount of electrons when it is not an ion. And there's also the bottom number, which is the atomic weight, which is the sum of both the neutrons and the protons in the atom. And electrons have negligible mass, so we don't include them. Now, as you can see, this carbon has an atomic number of 6, which means it has 6 protons and 6 electrons, and it has an atomic weight of 12. And considering there's 6 protons, there must also be 6 neutrons, because 6 plus 6 equals 12. And we just ignore the 0.011, because that's not included in GCSE, and you don't need to cover that nonsense until you either do A-level physics or chemistry.